Gummy King, multivitamin and mineral, for kids, 60 gummies. Product overview description. No gelatin vegan dietary supplement certified vegan according to Vegan Action. Gummy King multivitamin and mineral gummies come in 6 natural fruit flavors: strawberry, lemon, orange, grape, cherry and grapefruit. They are vegan and gelatin-free, and provide kids with multivitamin and minerals, key vitamins they need during their growing years. Gummy King gummies are made with only the highest quality ingredients. Suggested use. As a dietary supplement, adults and children 2 years of age and over chew 2 Gummy King gummies daily. Other ingredients: corn syrup, sugar, water, pectin, citric acid, natural flavors, colors added, black carrot juice concentrate, purple berry concentrate, turmeric, tricalcium phosphate and fiber. Free of gelatin, wheat, gluten, milk, eggs, soy, train nuts, peanuts, artificial flavors, animal derivatives and preservatives. Warnings. Consult your doctor before use if you have, or have had, any health condition or if you are taking any medications or remedies, including OTC medications, or are planning any medical procedure. Discontinue use and consult your doctor if any adverse reaction occurs. Not recommended for children under 2 years of age due to choking. Do not use if the inner seal is broken or missing. Store in a cool, dry place. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.